There's a long line to get in. Luckily, we can go to the pass holder section. Hopefully it's not so long.
Maybe try it though.
Finally, we made it in. I love butterflies. Oh, that's so cute. I love Epcot at Flower and Garden. It's my favorite festival. So we're at Epcot, and first things first, gotta get our pass holder Pluto magnet. I feel like we're salmon going upstream. Like we're the only ones going this way. There's the bubblegum wall. It's so beautiful today. Okay, we made it to Mouse Gear. Where's my Pluto magnet? I'm so excited. Pluto is my favorite character, if you guys haven't figured that out yet. And I've been waiting for this magnet forever. And they finally have it. Oh, I really like these ears. These are super cute. This way. The Daisy one looks cute too. See me. Hi. Good.
Alright.
Finally, Pluto.
Here we go.
He's my favorite thing. Pluto! I'm scented. This one smells good. I'm not so sure about that scent. Dole Whip. Doesn't really have much of a scent. I think this one's just overpowering. Smells okay. Okay, hey. Now we're off through the sea of people to try and get over to Living with the Land. Made it to our fast pass for Living with the Land.
For your safety, please remain behind the yellow line until the boat comes to a complete stop. Welcome to Living with the Land. As you board the boat, please lower your head and watch your step.
We just got done with Living with the Land, and now we're gonna go eat some food and then go to our Soarin' Fast Pass. Yay, so excited. And we got all these fast passes like last minute, so that is awesome. We literally just quick trip here, fast minutes, whatever that is. We got last minute fast passes and everything is so awesome. Great day. Umbrella. It's pretty much our go-to place if we don't eat in the countries. And you know there's a talking trash can in this place. It scared me the first time I did it, and I was like, whoa, did that trash can just talk to me? I'll have to show you where it's at. So this trash can right here, when you walk in, it talks. I wonder if you can hear it on here.
Oh, it's mine! It's mine! It's mine!
Ouch! Hey, watch it, dude, like your trash just knocked off my shades!
And we did the mobile order, so we didn't have to wait in any lines, but there's no line, so oh well. Still, mobile order is the way to go usually. So we got 2 cheeseburgers, and yes, I actually got an adult meal, no kids meals this time. I'm starving. And we got a drink, but the drink stations are down, so they said, do you want a bottle of water or slushy? So we were like, well, I guess we'll have a slushy. So we got one of each, and that's awesome because we've never tried the slushies yet. All right, bon appetit. That cheer square, yeah, that cheer square made me feel so special. I love penguins. Take a close look. Every piece of plastic trash used to create this penguin sculpture was purchased by someone and then improperly discarded. How many items do you see that could also be found in your home or daily life? Wow. That's so cool. Like, Epcot's nice way of saying, recycle, people, recycle. Let's go on soaring. Flying. Soaring, flying. Does anyone else get that song stuck in their head or like come to your head when you ride this ride? I do.
My name is Patrick, and I'll be your chief flight attendant today. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the under-seat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and, of course, these little dudes. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right. If smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat, just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling. Yeah. Have a nice ride.
Soren, I love you. You're my favorite. Love it. Time to ride Spaceship Earth. We had a lot of fun on this quick spur-of-the-moment trip to Epcot just for a couple fast passes, and yeah, it's getting chilly now, but oh, monorail. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed our adventures today, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.